Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by connecting your streaming account to Streamlabs and enabling CloudBot. Once signed in, go straight to the chatbot section and toggle CloudBot on. This gives you chat automation instantly. Make sure you grant the required chat and channel permissions so CloudBot can post, time out, and read messages. After that, link the same account to your streaming software so commands operate in real time. This immediate connection prevents permission errors and lets you configure commands without delays. Next, build your core commands and timers. Create a custom command, pick a trigger, write a concise response, and choose a user level so moderation is safe. Once done, add timers for recurring messages, set frequency and cooldown to avoid chat spam. Use variables such as user, channel, and count to make responses dynamic and polite. Also test each command privately in a low-traffic window so you can tweak wording, permissions, and cooldowns before relying on them live. Finish by locking down moderation and enabling community features. Turn on auto mod, choose banned words and moderation thresholds, and assign moderators who override settings. Then configure loyalty points, create redeemables, and map rewards to chat actions so viewers engage. Once configured, test everything live. Simulate spam to confirm auto mod, redeem a reward to ensure the action triggers, and adjust cooldowns or responses as needed. If something fails, restart CloudBot and reauthorize permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.